So how do we build a menu page or a choose your own adventure page, as I call it, in a conversational presentation? So here you see on the screen my overview page. So I'm going to do a bit of an introduction. I have like my first page here, and then this comes onto the screen. And if I put it into present mode, so now I can say to my audience, we're here to talk about conversational presenting. We've probably only got time for about 3 or 4 of these sections. What do we want to talk about? So I start to ask for directions. And then they can choose any of these that we see on the screen. So for example, you see here, look, I can click on this and it will take me through to that section. And then I can start talking about it and presenting it. And at any time, I have my little logo here, which will always get me back to the menu page. So how do we actually build this? Well, each one of these menu items, if you like, is 3 elements. We've got our shape, we have our text box, and we have our image. And I want to make sure that if I click anywhere on those 3 things, it will do the job that I want to do. So what I do is, you see here, I've got my section. So we're going to do the persuasion pathway. So if I scroll down here and I see that the persuasion pathway is on slide 12. So that's where I want it to go to. So I come back to my menu page. I click on to the shape, and in the insert menu, if we go up here at the top left, you can see it up there, insert, and then I go to link. So halfway along this insert menu, you've got link. And then you've got 3 options: web page, this document, or email address. So we choose this document. And we have a number of options. So we're going to go to slide titles, and then we're going to go down and we're going to hit slide 12, because that's where we want this to link to. And I click OK. And then I literally do the same thing with the other 2. So link, slide titles, slide 12, OK. And again with the brain image. So I want to go to link, slide titles, and down to slide 12, OK. And now when I put it into present mode, and now I can do this one as well. So you can see, look, it doesn't matter where I put the mouse. When I click on it, it takes me through to that section. And then I start talking about the thing that I want to talk about. So very easy to do. It's just a matter of deciding which slide you want this shape or text box or image to link to. And you can do insert. Oh, I've lost it all. Let's go back. So you can go to insert and then link. Now, there is another way to do this. So for example, if we're going to do the next one, which is build your roadmap, and I scroll down here because I want to see what page do I want to link to, and it is this one. So I want it to link to here, page 32. So let's go all the way back up to the top, click in my shape. Now here, instead of in the insert menu going on link like we did before, I'm going to click on action. And then I can do link to, and then you can decide, okay, what slide do I want to do? So I click on slide. And again, I'll go down to, oh, I forgot what we said now. Was it 32? Let's have a look. Yes, it was. So slide 32, click OK. And then OK. And then I do the same for the text box. So I'm going to do action, link to, slide, and then we're going to go all the way down to 32. And you can see this little thumbnail. Yes, that works. OK. And then finally do it for our image. So action, link to, slide, go down to 32. Click OK. And now let's test it. So I go into presentation mode. And now if I click on this, you can see indeed anywhere in this box, if I click on it, it will go through to that section. And then I can always go through to the back to the main menu. Now, just before we go, I'll also show you, if we go to, let's go to say a page like this, all of these logos, again, is just for me as the presenter. So I know I can always get back to the home page, and we know that or the overview page, which is slide 2. So if you click in here into link, you'll see it's already set up slide titles, slide 2. So I always do something like this, and I can make this much more transparent. At the moment, you can see I've almost got it to the end, but if I wanted to go even further, I could do 95%. So then it's because it's really only for me. I don't need my audience to see this. It's only for me. So again, this is a way that you can then, and once you've done that on one slide, you can then just copy it and paste on every single slide that you create. So you've always got this way of navigating around the presentation. So there we go. That's it. That's how you create a menu page in your conversational presentation.